correct?
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
And if you go from 800 to 400, by increasing the depth to another 400 feet, I am getting just 0.035
Yes.
inches.
The depth is coming, same thing only.
No, here it is 2.5 and here it is 2.6.
Yes, it's a little improvement is there. What is the depth?
972.
Finished up.
That's what I'm saying.
ಪರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟ್ 1219 ಯಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕೆಳಗಳು ತೆಗಿಬಿಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಕೈನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
Allow it to overflow.
ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ 19 1219. See the force. So motor is okay, मोटर ठीक है. कितना टाइम में पानी आएगा चेक करेंगे. कितना टाइम में पानी आएगा, कितना मिनट में. चल पानी कलर में आ गया 1 minute 2 minutes. ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್. ಬೋರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಎನಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್. ಮೈಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್. ಎಸ್. Bore is not superb. Nothing we can't say right now. Okay, it's going on. This much time it's got filled up means superb. Half tank ಆಗಿರಬಹುದಮ್ಮ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ. It has to come water that level. Water has to come this much level. It has to come.
What do you mean?
The water, the air out, it has to come up to this level. If it is pressure. If you come blasting, Damal comes, that also comes blasting.
So there was no air pressure underneath?
No, not much. We'll see. Wire anything is the top? No, na? No. On करेंगे. माँ मोटर ऑन करेंगे. हेलो ಆಫ್ 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 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅದು ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೋಟ್ರದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು 19 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಈಗ ನೀರು ಬಂದು ಓವರ್ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಯಿತು. ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಅದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಅದು 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 12:30 ಇದ್ರೆ 11 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸು. ಸೊ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸು. ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಸರ್ ಅದು ತೆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದು ತೆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫುಲ್ ನೀರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರ ನೀರು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯಿತು.
I've done the report using the probe. That is the existing condition. So based on this existing condition, we did three more things. That is the dwelling method using the water, coconut, the stick, as well as the soda bottle.
Scientific geolocator machine.
That is
scientific one.
Dwelling one. And the scientific one, you use the scanner. Based on the scanner information, because I'll go with the scanner. The other three things are basically a verification to show that the
Okay.
the location of the water and other stuff. As far as the scanner is concerned, the results correlates with the actual measurement, actual bore conditions. In addition to that, we have gone in for 2 more levels, because right now the maximum depth is about 900 feet. So we went for a scanning of about 1200 feet and 1400 feet. At 900 feet, what we have is 2.25 inch of water. Correct? Now at 1200 feet, we have found at 2.6. And again at 1400 feet, we have found again 2.6. So the difference between 1200 and 1400 is next gen. There is no increase, 0% increase.
Yes.
So now we have to go either with 1200 or with the existing one. Now if we go with the existing one, the water size what we have is TBD is 2.25 inch and at 1200 is 2.65. So it is marginal increase of 0.35. That is the conclusion. The conclusion is whether to proceed just to get additional gain of 0.35 or not, it is up to us.
Correct, sir.
Correct? No,
If you want to re-drill means you can go for only 100 feet is enough.
100 feet, no, even 100 feet it doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense. That is
Yes,
what I'm saying.
yes,
The question
yes.
is, if we increase by adding by 300 feet just for 0.35 doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Okay, we have seen the complete bore drill through the probe. We found that there are no cracks. And
Yes.
there is one layer of stone.
Yes.
It is straight. There is
Yes.
no debris collected. There is no silt over there. It
Yes.
is clean.
Bore absolutely full bore depth is there. Normally 5 feet, 10 feet will close.
Yes, full. It is observed.
Motor gap is there. 750 we erected. 950 is still gap is there.
Yes.
So still that 850 we can go to erect.
Yes. Now the only option what I would think is assume is how about changing the motor? That is a question mark. Now we
No, let it be use it till the construction is over.
No, that is what I'm saying.
When you start new building, that time you can put the new motor. That is better.
That is better.
Yeah. When raining comes, there is the improvement you can expect.
Okay.
Even now we have put the water in the tanker. That also some improvement we can expect. Depends God only, not accurately. Yes. Yes, sir. I'm moving, sir. So bye.